What is up, everyone? This is 15th June 2023 and it's 1:36 p.m. in the afternoon. We can see that Banknifty has opened on a slight gap up, and from 44,100 it has come down to almost 43,627, which is a 400 point fall. Even though it was slow, it was a steady run towards the lower side, and from here probably we can see Banknifty moving up towards the upside. And also, if 43,500 is not tested tomorrow, then we can see a reversal towards the upside. So again, I'm sure once Bank Nifty moves down, it gets more power to move towards the upside, and I believe this is gonna go up in the next 2 days. And also the next support that we can plan. So initially what happened was, also all the levels that I have plotted from the previous days has worked wonderfully. So what happened was, yesterday's low, the low which was taken as a support, I mean the support, yesterday's support has been madly acting yesterday, and today what we can say is Bank Nifty made a terrible fall in the morning, and from 43,834 it moved up to 43,100, I mean not 100, 43,971, which has again been a point, and also yesterday's low, and it has moved up till there and it started falling terribly. So I am feeling that this is going to go up from this level, and then we might see some bullishness till 43,795. So we'll see what is going to happen with Bank Nifty. And looking at Nifty is still holding up at the higher levels, that between 18,700, 18,800, and looking at Bank Nifty, I feel if this low is broken, that is if 43,738 is broken, we'll probably see it moving above 43,795, and above 795, then it's a rally towards the upside. So what I have in mind is 43,800 CE of 20 seconds expiry. It's an expiry day. I could have made use of the expiry, but unfortunately I was out of my place and I couldn't trade because of less network. Let's see what's going to happen next. So we can see that Bank Nifty has made a fake breakout at this point, because this trend line has been respected from the morning, and from here what we can see is Bank Nifty at the 145 candle tried to move up, but again due to the sell pressure on the trend line, it is consolidating on that level, and probably this will give a double bottom, and from there this can fly towards the upside once it is around 230, 245. So this is what I mean, what I feel is going to happen, because a move like this down, this is something that I am anticipating. If that is going to happen, then I'll be putting in 43,800 CE of 22nd June. So okay, it's a 267. We will go for a buy in that. So we will probably go for a buy around this level. We'll book like 10-15 points, and we'll make our position, or we'll get out of the position likewise. So we'll have to wait for the trend line to break out, otherwise we'll definitely see Bank Nifty moving further down. So yeah, this will be a potential breakout only if this level is broken and sustained. So or else this can act as a falling tree as well, but on sustaining above this, we can go for a buy in 43,800 CE, and then we can get out of some with some profits. But again, this has to be sustained above 43,730, so that Bank Nifty will move towards the upside. But I think we'll have to wait for another 20-30 minutes for this potential breakout to happen. So I can see that there has been good call buy build up in 43,600 in the last few minutes. It has gone up by almost double. So I feel Bank Nifty is going to again come down to this level, and I am planning to go for a buy at 43,500 PE with 500 quantities. But before getting into that trade, we have to make sure this is going to go down. Yeah, it is going down. So we'll just open our position any which ways. We have opened the position. Yeah. We can see that we have booked, our PNL is on positive right now. We'll book a slight small profit and we'll get out of the position just like that. I was planning to enter in this trade at around 234, but my buy was super out of reach. So we'll have to, I should have added more quantities because of this sudden fall, but this is fine. I wanted to take a trade today because I am at our property in Vattavada, and this feels good to be a right place to take trades and plan your things accordingly. book my profits for the day. I'm just tired of the trade because I want to spend time in here rather than spending time on my trade. So I'm getting out of my position in a while. So yeah. I'll put the stop loss at, I mean the buy price at 270, and we'll get out of the position. Let's see if it hits the target. It is, obviously. Oh, this has to go down. Our target is going to get hit right now in like 2 minutes. If Banknifty is not going above this level, I mean the level of 43,560. If it goes above 43,560, it's going to be a problem for us. Yes, our target is hit, and we have booked almost 11,000 rupees, deploying a capital of 1,24,000, which is absolutely great. So now it's time for me to show you guys around the property, and I'll show you how my property is and how our property is, and maybe I'll just give you a walkthrough. I could have booked more, but I don't want to spend so much time on the laptop, and that's why exactly I've gotten out of the trade. So yep. This is how Banknifty looks like, and decent. It's much decent. Hey guys, this is Matthew from TurtleX, and as I've told you, I'm on a destination trading, and this is our property in Vattavada, which is called Bovidae Woods, and this is a tent camping. So travel vlogging is something I tried to do in 2017 before any of the bloggers came into the mainframe, especially from Kerala. So this is something I was like really passionate about, and trading is the second thing I was really in love with. So I'm in my property in Vattavada, so I'll show you the place, and I'll give a glimpse of other properties. So this is a Marshall Jeep which we use for taking the guests in and out, and also this is one Jeep that we use for off-roading and for the fun drives, and this is one shack over there which we when guests come they chill, and this is the another Thar which we have over here, which is used for light off-roads, and there is this one archery aimbot, and also there is a nest over here which is already occupied. So there are few eggs inside, so that's why I'm not going near, because I don't want to disturb the peace of the birds over there. And also there is a swing, there's some maintenance work going on there. So this is the mountain overlooking our campsite, and this is how the entire scene looks. You wouldn't be able to get the clear idea of how the place looks like. So we conduct tent camping here. We do off-road fun drives both for bikes and for jeeps. So if you're interested, you can hit us up in the number which is mentioned in the description box. I know this is not a travel vlog area, but I really want to do something, and this is my partner over there coming. He's teaching a girl how to ride. Yes.